Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to delete your TikTok account. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you are wondering how to delete your TikTok account. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you need to click in your TikTok apps and then you're going to see screen appear just like this. You need to click here the profile tab and then you're going to see your TikTok profile. From here, you need to click this upper three line and then you're going to see a pop-up appear. You need to click here settings and privacy. After click over settings and privacy, you need to click here manage account. After click over manage account, you're going to see screen appear just like this. Here you're going to find there something say account control. In that section, you're going to find there something say delete account. After click over delete account, this will ask you something say why are you trying leaving TikTok. You can easily choose the option the reason you would like to delete your TikTok account. I'm click here I'm not TikTok too much and then I'm going to click here continue, and after click over continue you're going to see it's giving another option that do request your data, like you maybe previously have some video etc data information you would like to download those information from TikTok server, and then you would like to delete your TikTok account. So I'm going to click here. I'm not going to requesting any download. I don't need that data. I'm just choosing this last by continue reviewing your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. So I'm going to choose over on it and then I'm going to click here continue. After that, here is the main things. It's saying to you if you click here continue, your TikTok account will be delayed, but it will give you 30 days chance. For example, after 1 week or after 15 days, you might be decide to enter your TikTok account or reactive your TikTok account. Still there is a remaining. So if you decide after 15 days to reactive TikTok account, you can easily reactive your previous data. It will give you until 30 days. So that will keep hold 30 days and after 30 days if you're not within 30 days, if you not connect your TikTok account completely going to be delayed from TikTok server. So within this way you can easily delete your TikTok account by pressing this continue button. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.